Okay, guys, we've got some exciting news. PF8 is coming out. Now, PF8 is going to be quite different compared to any other PF level. In PF8, we're going to be concentrating on teaching the kids proper testing techniques and testing strategies. So this unit is completely different. So you want to go into teaching skills and then how to teach new PF8 slides. Cece and I have been working very hard to film these videos. We had to film 16 videos altogether. You will see that PF8 only has 8 units per level, but each lesson, eight lessons per unit, and each lesson is separated into 2 parts. So it's going to take more time to teach these lessons. Specifically, in the part 2s of each lesson, there will be test prep style questions. It looks like a test, basically. And you're not just running through and answering these questions. You want to teach the students how to answer the questions when they're on a time limit. What are some teaching strategies they can do to test faster and more efficiently? So you're going to go through these steps. You can look up online if you don't remember, but I know we were all taught them in school, okay? So each of these videos is around 10 minutes long. They're quite long, but we do go through every single slide in the lesson and explain possible ways to teach them. Section 1 is more like what we're used to with learning vocabulary and stuff. Section 2 is phrases and testing questions and all the other stuff. So it's different than what we're used to, but it's there. It would be really awesome if you guys could go and at least check out some of the videos, if not as many as you can, because if you're going to teach this, you really want to know how to teach the different types of testing, and there's 3 different kinds of testing that's covered. Most importantly, for what I consider anyway, but all of them are technically important, but there's the KET testing, which is a UK-based test, and it's in British English, so Americans, like me, don't change the spelling, don't change the wording. And then the other thing is that it's the listening files are all with a UK accent. Okay, KET is a Cambridge test for young learners, okay? And it's very common to be taught here in China and Taiwan, in all the other Asian locations that teach English. It's a very common testing mechanism that's used here to test the students' proficiency. So they will be learning how to take this test as well as their middle school and high school entrance exams, okay? Hope this helps. Please go check out the videos. Bye-bye.